Hi and welcome back to my morning report. Charles Praises on Thursday the 19th of March with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hand Tech Markets. Let's look at gold. And this gold chart, yes, we've had this strong rally on the correction on the dollar, but we're still in this downtrend channel, and that would suggest we're still retaining this medium-term bearish outlook. We have also seen, interestingly enough, the move back towards this old key resistance around 1168.25, 68.25 being that low from January, and that's still an element of resistance. Yes, we've had a sort of intraday moves above it, but I still think that this is a chance to sell. Looking at these indicators across the board, I don't see that this is necessarily a recovery going on. I think you're still trading underneath that 21-day moving average, 1182, that currently comes in at. Now, when I wrote my morning report very early this morning, I noticed that gold was sort of outperforming, just holding up well considering that the dollar rally that we had overnight, but it's just starting to drift off again. And looking at the intraday hourly chart, you can see that happening. This is just in the last few hours, we've just drifted off again. And when you have such volatile moves to the upside, you start looking at the old resistances that you leave behind to act as new support. And initially, you'd argue that having broken through, obviously all of them, although this one's slightly, I mean that's 75.40, that one there. We have a high of 77.50 overnight, and you'd argue that all these resistances on the way up to become elements of support on the way down, but you're starting to sort of already sort of break through them on the way down. 1166, if I can get that crosshair there, 1166.30 has already been broken, so you're sort of now looking back at the other ones, 63.70 and then 59.10 being the ones on the downside. So it already seems as though that the rally has rolled over, and unless it can start to build on support around this sort of 63, maybe 59 area, then pretty much all the good work for the gold bulls would have been undone. I'm still thinking that this is ultimately going to be a selling opportunity, and at the moment that is turning out to be a shooting star. Obviously there's a long way to go in the trading day, but the pressure sort of still looks to be in terms of dollar strength returning, and that should be negative for gold, and this rally within this downtrend channel should ultimately be another chance to sell. We'll wait and see how it goes, how the volatility settles down, but at the moment I'm still of that opinion. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading throughout the day as this volatility starts to settle down, and I will speak to you again tomorrow.